This is my favorite breakfast casserole and sure to become yours and your family and friends. First, we're going to get some bacon cooking. Whatever your favorite is, you can't go wrong. I'm using a peppered bacon. While that's cooking in the oven, let's use the FN Sharp Santoku knife to make light work of these bagels. Make sure to grab some flavored bagels. Any which way you can add more flavor, do it. Why not? These are cheddar jalapeno bagels. You can also use everything but. You can use blueberry, whatever your heart desire. Play around, with each time you make this. 9x13 pan, give it some nonstick spray. Just throw down a layer. We're going to mix the layers up here. Cheddar cheese off the block. Don't buy the pre-shredded stuff. It has a coating on there, right? So that way it doesn't become one glob. Used off the block, so that way it has a nice melting factor. 8 ounces of cream cheese. We're just going to dice this up here. That way we can spread it throughout this breakfast casserole. Into a large bowl, we have 8 large eggs. You crack them on the side if you like. One-handed, super simple. You just squeeze the sides of that egg and pull up at the same time. Give it a whirl. Why not? It just takes some practice. No big deal. If you make a mess, keep on going. Give these a whisk. I like to break up the egg yolks first and give it a heavy whisk. Make sure to incorporate so there's no streaks. Then we're going to go in with 2 cups of heavy cream. Give that a whisk again, but we want to make sure we add flavor, right? Every opportunity. So we're going to season these up. I'm using like an onion powder blend, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Get everything well incorporated. A little bit of fresh scallions, going to add a pop of freshness, a little bit of extra flavor. Bacon's done. We're going to slice that up, but first drain it so that way the bacon remains crispy. You can go through the whole slab like I'm trying here, or be smart about it. Get those slices together and then just rough chop. We're going to get them into that casserole pie pan, and then we're just going to kind of evenly disperse everything in there. Get that egg mixture, bake it in the oven, covered first and then uncovered, and voila. Enjoy. Follow FN Sharp for more.